Hi everybody, my name is Kelly and welcome to my home. It's time for the 10-minute challenge. Let's get going.
Hey everyone, so this is Motivational Monday. I hope this inspires you to maybe tackle a quick 10-minute job in your home. Right now, I am just going to be tidying up my kitchen, putting away the dishes from last night, and doing our morning breakfast dishes. It's just my husband and I at home, so we don't typically use the dishwasher too much because it's just the two of us. It's just easier to do the dishes. We don't make that many. So all I'm going to be doing is just tidying up the kitchen, putting away the dishes, cleaning up our breakfast dishes, and just getting the counters cleaned up for the rest of the day. So today's video is in participation of the 10-minute challenge, Motivational Monday, hosted by the lovely Sherri from Pretty Simple Sherri Home. I'll be sure to leave a link to her channel below, as well as all these other ladies. There will be a playlist, so you can go check them all out and get some real motivation to tackle cleaning or organizational projects around your home. So now I'm just going to keep on cleaning up my kitchen, wiping down counters, doing dishes, and I'm just going to let the music play so you can get some motivation and crank it up and start cleaning or organizing your space.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky, oh. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and
So I hope this inspired you to tackle a quick 10-minute challenge in your home to just pick up an area that maybe you've been neglecting. I know I have a few of those spots, but this was great to just tackle the kitchen quickly and get it done. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram. I'd love to have you come over there and say hi. And if you haven't already, I'd love if you would subscribe to my channel here and join me each week as I share all things home. And be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And be sure to leave a comment down below, say hi, or let me know what room or what area you would have to tackle for your 10-minute challenge. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, no.